Hey, this is Rama from Creations Landscape Designs and the Elfrland Landscapes blog. I'm here at a project in North Tustin. Last week I showed you the install and what it looks like during the day. Today I wanted to show you what it looks like at night. But before I do that, I make videos about drought-tolerant plants, California native plants, sustainability, and anything and everything in between. So if you'd like to get more of that content in your feed, then hit the red subscribe button. I'll also have a link to my business website in the description of the video for anyone who's interested. Okay, so this is what the garden looks like at night. All the plants are still alive and doing pretty well.